Alright, so right now we're looking at my wheelchair. This is the Permobil F3 with the Bluetooth module, and I'm going to pair it with my phone to show you guys how I actually work. So going up to mouse, clicking over, there we go. So if you notice that the mouse does come up, and if we look, grab my phone here, there's a cursor that comes up on my phone. So now I can actually control anything that's on my app or my phone. This is the Samsung S9. Get this a little bit better. There we go. So as you can see here, so here's the mouse or cursor on the phone. Let's see. Let's go down to my apps. I'm just going to actually flip it over and flip it up. So I've also been asked, well, how can I do videos on my phone? Well, this is the app that I use. This is Power Director. You can see right here the Power Director app. I do have Dropbox, but the Power Director app is the one that I use. And yes, I do have the text animation, my Permobil, the link sharing. The ZY Play app is with the Zune Smooth 4, which is the gimbal that I have. That also has a lot of features in it. So I wanted to give you a little quick tutorial of that, and also, as my dog is bouncing his balls, you can also set up infrared. Would go up on the TV here, so it'll actually control the channel up, channel down, the volume up, volume down. So actually this does quite a bit, and everything can be done from the phone. So it gives you a little bit of options from what I have and what I use on a daily basis to do my videos. So, basic back overview. Up, speed, normal speeds, chair functions. So it has Bluetooth, so I can get it in focus here. So we have is mouse 1, and that's what controls the phone. So like once again, go back up in the mouse, click right over. Your mouse will come up on your phone, all the way down. Click left, brings you back up to your home page. So hopefully that'll help you out. Try it out. If you've got the Arnet Permobil Bluetooth function, and a Samsung or an Android phone or an iPhone, all those will actually should be compatible and be able to be paired. Well, for another tutorial, stay tuned and we'll go through Power Director.